Scene 2. Glacier and Cryo in the courtroom. They walk in and take a seat in front of the glaring rhino. Glacier whispers at Cryo, "This is Sub-Zero. I caught him plotting to eject your ma in an alley." "Really? That's dark." The judge talks through the speakers.
"Welcome to court. So, Sub-Zero, what's this surname? No, that's not right. What did you do, Glacier?"
"His surname was in Latin. That's what I translated." Sub-Zero breathes in frustration.
"So, Mr. Toothpaste, explain to us what you did wrong."
"I did nothing wrong. I was just writing a fiction."
"Out loud in a dark alley, correct?"
"Can I leave yet?" "Come on, Sub-Zero, admit it." "All right, correct. Tell me what I can do to get out of this claustrophobic room." Glacier raises an eyebrow.
"Interesting. Now, Glacier, tell me what you think he did wrong."
"I believe that Sub-Zero Toothpaste was plotting an attack on our allies in Jamar. He was saying things like, 'Let's go after the forest first.'"
"Interesting. Let me think for a moment."
Toothpaste reaches up toward his fake shell. Scream fast. "What are you doing?" Toothpaste smiles as he pulls something out from underneath the shell. "Dive out of the way!" Cryo and Glacier dive to the side as Sub-Zero throws a grenade and flees. Hold on, we need better den music for this. Scream. That's the judge screaming, Will. The judge screams as two of the courtroom walls crumble.
"Quick! Go after them!"
"They're a rhino. They're too fast for any of us." Glacier starts crying. "Are you?" "I have no tears. Nonsense." Cryo backs away.